We're gonna work on when someone has a knife to your throat. This is super dangerous, and there's different schools of thought on how to do this, but most of them are incorrect, I hate to say it. A lot of times, this is just giving away, you're trying to do something, he's just gonna cut. Okay, I was originally trained to bring the knife closer to where he can't pull it, and then go out the back door, okay? But, one of my favorites on this is when I bring my arm up. Okay? I bring it, and I'm just sitting here to show you. I'm gonna get cut here. Okay? What happens is, he's got it up here. He has it nice and flush. This is the way it's really gonna happen, okay? So I can't really do anything here. I have to actually bring my shoulder up with palm down. And I twist. Okay? Again. He can actually take this arm here. He can actually grab here. This may feel more secure for somebody. So what's happening here is, I'm bringing this up fast, okay? Now, I'm getting the wrist, escaping the back door, and from here, multiple stabs, and then I can actually take the knife out, going towards the thumb like we did before in the other move. Okay, I'm gonna hand that to you again. So, he has the knife flush. That's the problem. When he has this flush and wrapped around, I have no option here, okay? Credit goes to Krav Maga for this move. So what's happening is, shoulder up, palm down, okay? And I'm turning. The thing is I might get cut on the side of my face or something, but this is life or death. As I go here, okay, I'm out, stabs, against, disarm, and we're out.
All right, now as she's raised her arm to the side, keep in mind, it's gonna be whatever arm my arm is draped over. If she raises this arm, it doesn't do anything. So she raises this arm, go ahead, and when she's doing it, she tucks her face away from the knife. And that combined with lifting my arm, using her movement, will create space. Once that's done, and I'm no longer able to directly cut her, she'll take her hands and she'll grip the wrist of the knife wielder. Now that she's got a firm grip on the wrist, she'll sidle out, and using all of her strength to repeatedly stab her attacker.